Hi Year 9 and welcome to our next video, which is concerned with pages 5 and 6. Okay, 5 and 6. So on page 5 we're basically looking at a basic history of graffiti art, and it goes from the first drawings on walls through to how the art form took off in the 1970s. Tells a little bit about taggers. And then in the 1980s, you talk about how graffiti artists started to come into the gallery system and using graffiti art on canvases. And then we're going to look at three main graffiti artists, Jean-Michel Basquiat, Black Lorette and Banksy. Okay, so just a little bit background information about the history of graffiti art. On page 6, you're then going to look at a Belfast street artist, Glenn Malloy, and you might see some of his artwork down around the Cathedral Quarter in Belfast. Okay, so we're going to take, this is a section of one of his pictures, and we're going to use the square by square approach to draw the picture of this artist, or of David Bowie, out on this sheet. So basically what we're going to be doing is the same as before. So you number along the top 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then down the side A, B, C, D, E and F. So it just gives you a little bit of a reference whenever you're doing your picture. Now, as before, you'll probably see that A1 is all going to be dark. You see that B1 is mostly all dark, apart from a wee tiny bit on the edge. You see that F1 will be all black and that F4 will be all black, okay? So really you're only concentrating around about these areas, here, okay? So if we look at maybe the little shadow in B2, so what I would do yet again is I would then put in a divider like that, so it gives me a much closer look at how the lines come in and out of the box. Okay, so what I want to do is, you're going to be doing all the black ink, but you're also going to be doing grey ink as well here today. So it's a little bit moved on from the Ed Sheeran picture. Okay, so just roughly we're going to put in a little grey area there. So what I would do then is, obviously this bit's all black here, just to show you some contrast. So this will be all dark in B1. Okay, and then what you might do is, using your tonal range, you might shade in that outline in a much lighter, maybe a mid-tone or even a lighter tone than that. Okay, and what you could do to give yourself a little ready reckoner really is to look at page 3 in your book to get your tones. Okay, but you're only going to be really using tone 1 round about 5, 6, maybe even 7 or 8 in the tonal scale in that one. Okay, so that's basically what you have to do. Just copy out the picture on the left into the blank box on the right and shade it in using just a dark tone and maybe a mid to light tone. Okay, that's everything. Don't forget to subscribe and good luck. Bye.